I'm gonna show you how to start a t-shirt business at home with only 500 bucks using the most affordable equipment in the industry. And when I say affordable, I actually mean cheap, because this equipment is not the best. But when you don't have the budget, something is better than nothing. And don't think that I'm just talking out of the blue. This setup that I'm about to show you is how I started my t-shirt business. It was a small struggle in the start, but look how far we have come. Now, let's get to work.
You made me wanna go away, cause all I ever did was show you love, and that was every day.
Alright, we're gonna start with the famous Amazon press, the Chinese press. It has a lot of names. And I'm gonna be honest, this press is cheap, and when you buy cheap, you provide cheap quality. I'm just letting you know this from the start. It's a beginner level press. It's a press to get your feet wet, to do small DIY projects. It can only do simple one color prints, and it's very limited, but it's still better than nothing. It's a 4-color 1-station press, which means that you can only do up to a 4-color design, and you can only print up to a shirt at a time. One shirt at a time. One t-shirt at a time. I gotta get used to saying t-shirt, because shirt doesn't seem professional. T-shirt. That's what we're gonna use, t-shirt. And no, you cannot print 4-color designs on this press. You can barely even print 2-color designs because the screens won't line up, they won't register. But if you want to know more about this press, I recommend to check out this video because I go more into depth with the whole mechanics on how the press works. And yes, I am gonna put this press to work, so keep watching. I felt like I just said press probably 1,000 times. But anyways, I went to Amazon to see what was the price on this press, and it's 150 bucks. That's pretty cheap. So we got the press. Now we need our material and some equipment. And you're gonna need a screen, a squeegee, a scoop coater, ink, emulsion, and a little adhesive glue to keep the shirts nice and tucked. And you can find all these stuff at Screen Print Direct. And I'm gonna add the link on the bio so you guys can go check it out. And here's a little secret. With the code Milo Prints, you get a 50% discount. It's not much, but it is something. Let me show you. And I have everything already in the cart. So let's go view cart. We have the adhesive, the screens, the scoop coater, the squeegee, the emulsion, and the ink. Now let's go check out. And as you can see, the total is 204. So now let's type Milo Prints. Let's see if we get a discount. Look at that. 30 bucks. It's not much, but it's something. So we got most of the equipment and most of the material. Now we need an exposure unit. And what the exposure unit does, it helps you put a design like this on a screen. And this is a path that I took. I created a custom exposure unit using 2x4s and a 500 watt light. It's very simple to create it. And I'm gonna explain it real quick. You get a 2x4 that's 10 feet long, and you cut it into 5 pieces. One piece of 20 inches, 2 pieces of 24, 1 piece of 18 inches, and 1 of 10 inches. And then you assemble them together. And if you don't have a cutter at your house, just go to Home Depot and they'll cut them for you. They have something all the way in the back where they cut them for you, so you won't stress out. And there's a lot of YouTube videos already covering this exposure unit. Just go to YouTube, type homemade exposure unit, and you're gonna get a bunch of videos. So I searched up 2x4s on the Home Depot website, and they're around 6 bucks right now. I also went to Amazon to see how much are the lights, and they go for around 20 bucks. So that's 26 bucks. But just to be on the safe side, we're gonna round all this up to 50 bucks to produce that exposure unit. Okay, now we need the t-shirts. And since we're barely learning how to screen print, we're gonna start with the most affordable one. So we're gonna go to gpshirts.com and we're gonna start looking for the cheapest shirts. And I just seen some Hanes t-shirts that go for $2.25. And I'm just gonna round all that up to $3 per shirt. So we're gonna start with 20 t-shirts. So that's 20 times 3, it's 60 bucks to buy those shirts. But if you want to start with better quality t-shirts, I'm going to recommend 2 that I sell the most. The first one is going to be Next Level 3600. And this one is very soft, it's somewhat fitted, and the colors of the t-shirts are very vibrant. I work with a lot of gym clothing brands, so this is the one that I recommend the most. And the second t-shirt is going to be the Gilded Hammer. And I know what you're probably thinking, Gildan, how can that be good quality? But trust me, it's a good quality t-shirt at a good price. It's soft, but it's also heavy. And it's perfect for streetwear brands because it's true to the size. And I'm already working on a video that's gonna help you guys pick the right blanks for the right projects. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Alright, so now we need to create a logo or a design. And to me, this is the hardest part because we start to overthink. We start overthinking because we want to create the perfect design. So we start to run in circles and we don't move forward. So what I would recommend is to hire a professional to do your design. So we're gonna go to Fiverr.com. You're gonna type custom logo. You're gonna get a lot of different prices from like $10 all the way to like $200. And pick whatever's in your budget. And just know this, sometimes going for the cheaper graphic designer is not the best option. But I would stay between 20 bucks and 40 bucks. And don't forget to request your logo design on a high resolution PNG file and a vector format file. Because having your design in a PNG file is gonna help you create mock-ups, do banners and other stuff. And having your logo in a vector file is also gonna help you resize it. Resize it, you can make it big or you can make it really small and it's not gonna lose resolution. For screen printing, JPEG images, raster images are not good because they're very pixelated. And just know, if you wanna have a good quality print, you gotta have a good quality design. So we got the press for 150, the materials for 180, the exposure unit 50 bucks, t-shirt 60, and the design for 30 bucks. All we're missing now is something to cure the t-shirts. You will need to order a small little heat gun like this to cure your t-shirts. You can find this one in Screen Print Direct for under 25 bucks. Now, if you add all that together, it's gonna give you around 500 bucks. Probably a little more due to taxes, but just we're gonna stay with a rough estimate of 500 bucks. Alright, curing your t-shirts with a heat gun, it's fine when it's only small designs, but when it comes to big designs, it's gonna take forever. You're gonna get tired. So we're gonna scratch the heat gun off the list, and you're gonna go and buy yourself a cheap Amazon heat press. Trust me, this is way better than the heat gun because you will be able to cure your t-shirts way faster. Plus, you can use a heat press for other things. So the total for this setup, it's 700 bucks. And I forgot to add some chemicals for the cleanup. Emulsion remover and plastisol ink remover. And a little scrub pad. And it's gonna bring us up to 750 bucks. And I wanted to show you guys all this because this is the equipment that I started with. All this was under 500 bucks 4 years ago. Now everything's expensive. And don't think that this is the only option. There's many ways to start a t-shirt business and I will show you guys more. For example, Screen Print Direct came out with a whole starter kit last year that contains all the equipment that I showed you guys today for under 400 bucks. I did a video on the Screen Print starter kit and I also did a video on the Amazon heat press and I'm gonna attach it at the end of this video if you guys want to go see it. Now, let's go print a t-shirt.
You make me wanna run away and never come back. I wish I never said I loved you, that's a damn fact. You made me wanna run over myself again. Go to hell with friends, oh. You made me wanna go away, go away. Cause all I ever did was show you love and that was every day, every day. You made me wanna go away, go away. You made me wanna go away, go away. You're always talking love, but I'm not sure you really know about it. I've been through a lot and I'm not sure you really care about it. Even though that hurts my heart, I don't know how to feel about it. Don't know how to feel about it, don't know. I keep on falling, I know that I get myself up if I wanna do.
Alright, let's have a small review. To start a t-shirt business, you need around 750 bucks to buy the cheapest equipment in the industry. You will be very limited to the stuff that you could provide. But you know what? You will be in business. Plus, you don't need a lot of space with this setup. And let's just do a little math. Those 20 t-shirts that you bought, let's say you sell them all at 20 bucks a piece. That's 400 bucks. And let's just say you grab 100 of those 400 bucks and you reinvest them again and buy t-shirts. But now you get 30. And you do the same sell. But let's say you just switch you picked a different t-shirt color and you sell them all for the same price. That's $600 plus the $300 from the last sale. That's a total of $900. And all you have to do is sell 50 t-shirts to get your money back. Now from here, you start building your empire. And don't be ashamed of the start. My first year when I started giving away my t-shirts, selling my t-shirts, I used to give them away in Walmart bags or grocery bags. And don't think that I also made it, because I'm still a baby. I work in my garage, but this is just how I started my business. And I'm not embarrassed, because the hustle is real. And let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 on how to work with all the equipment. Once again, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Feel free to give us a like, drop a comment, share the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you, have a beautiful day, and God bless you all.